Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today morning, I'm going to take you through with what you call the introductory part of Excel. Let me show you the introductory part of Excel. If you want to get the Excel, come and type from here that is Excel. So it will show you from here Excel. So now in Excel, this is what they call book one. Then this is what they call report cards. So let me show you. This is what they call report cards. So this is what you can get in Excel. If you want to go back with the other parts of Excel, so I can write the Excel. So this is what they call a blank workbook. Come to a blank workbook. Remember, you need to save first of all your work before before you continue, such that when power goes off, you can still get your work. Let me type in a desktop that let me save it in a desktop that now what Simon Peter Excel. Or I can even save introduction. Introduction to Excel by Nawat. By Nawat Simon Peter. Then I come and I save. You see, members, it appears in your desktop here that introduction to Excel by Nawat Simon Peter. Then now you can type your things here. This is what you call A shell. This is what you call shell. This is A shell 1, B shell 1, then this is A shell 2, A shell 3. This is what you call shells. This one here. This is what you call a sheet. If you want to add another one, then this is the second sheet. If you want, they can tell you to, if you want to make like three sheets, you can make it like that. Now, they will tell you to draw a table. If they tell you to draw a table, you can still come here. Then you can put this one, control this table. Any create a table, my table has headers. Okay, they can tell you to, this is what you call pay layout. Then this is what you call formulas. In Microsoft Excel, you're going to use what you call formulas. Okay, now this is what you call auto sum. So this is sum. They can tell you to get a sum of something. Okay, they can tell you to get sum of something. This is what it can give you. Then they can tell you to average. You will get the average there. So they can tell you count numbers, maximum, minimum. These are now more functions. So function arguments you can still get from here. Okay, let me show you. Okay, these are more functions. This is sum average. If this is now if condition. This is if an average. All this can help you in creating a report card. Okay. Yeah. And is what they call data. Get data, refresh all, filter. They can tell you to start from sending order to descending order. This then from descending order to ascending can come here. Then test column you can still come here. Then you go to, you can come to review. You see what there. This will translate. Come to view. You see this is what they call page break. preview, then page layout. All this can work in Microsoft Excel. Let me show you now. If they tell you to put your pie chart, a pie chart is here. You can either put this, you can put this one, you can put this one, or you can get more pie charts. Okay, and get more pie charts. Or they can tell you to draw a line graph. This is a 2D line. You can use this one. You can use this. You can use this one. Any you can use. If they tell you to draw what they call a histogram. This is what they call a histogram. And they can tell you to draw. This is what they call now in columns. Okay, members. These are symbols. This is now the symbol of equations. Now this is what it will show you. These are the equations. These are the symbol of equations, which we have in Microsoft Excel. Members, I think by today we can end here and we meet.